I had Mr. Parsaat here. He was seen in our office with severe pain in his right leg.
I had a lot of pain on my right leg. Every time I walk, I feel a lot of pressure and pain on my right leg. So I come to Mr. Ahmar for treatment, and he helped me with my treatment.
So I saw him here. So he had something known as severe arterial disease. So one of the main blood vessels in the leg was 99% blocked. We did a procedure known as a atherectomy where we clean up the plaque and we reopen the vessel. So we got excellent result. By the end of the procedure, it was 0%, and he is feeling a lot better now.
Right now, since the surgery, since I have that sensor installed, I walk my dog like 4 or 5 blocks in the morning, 4 or 5 blocks in the evening, and no pain. Everything is fine.
So a lot of people don't know, but peripheral arterial disease are the blockages in your legs, which happen in people that are smoker, that have diabetes, that is high cholesterol, high blood pressure, and it's a very, very treatable disease once we identify, and we can actually do this without opening the leg, doing percutaneously, where we go through the skin and clean up the blockages and get excellent results. Thank you.